Dangal greetings, I'm Clarissa Alegre from Tubame and I'm going to explain, is insurance more about protection or profit? The insurance is more about risk protection, which is to protect us from financial loss because of some fortuitous and unexpected events such as health issue, accidents, car damages, or house damages. Insurance helps us to cover the damages and big financial loss, and we somehow manage to the small cost because insurance company covers the big financial loss. And insurance's main goal is to be financially safety, low risk, and cheaper. While profit is to grow our money, some insurances offers, however, it is not always guaranteed because of fees, charges that reduces the earnings. Therefore, insurance is more about protection and not profit. In addition, you can do other things such as investing to stock to grow money. Lastly, insurance is more primarily for protection, not profit. That's all. Thank you.